Unfortunately, your best work becomes something that you just can't get over. In my case, perhaps dil hai ke manta nahi. And people have this memory of that and don't want to let go, but you grow and you age.
Pooja Bhatt, who was offered Bombay Begums when she was assisting director Father Mahesh Bhatt on Sadak 2, says that she was glad to play her age on screen. As Rani, CEO of a leading bank, Bhatt leads the Alankrita Srivastava-directed venture that tells the story of 5 women navigating their dreams and desires in a male-dominated world.
It was the title that grabbed me. It was a great role. It was a wonderful world, and it was with Alankrita, of course, whose work I'd seen. I'd seen Lipstick and loved it. And it was with a wonderful set of actors. And I just thought that if life is kind of literally breaking down your door and saying, hey, I'm beckoning, then you'd be a damn fool to refuse.
Pooja says that her biggest incentive was to play her age on screen, which is a rarity in showbiz because it's a youth-obsessed industry. Here's what she had to say.
Here was a character who was 49. I mean, I had the privilege of being able to play my age, which in this industry, which is so youth-obsessed in that sense, where even if you come back 30 years later, you're still catering to some fantasy that people have had about you when you're 19. And unfortunately, your best work becomes something that you just can't get over. In my case, perhaps dil hai ke manta nahi. And people have this memory of that and don't want to let go, but you grow and you age. And to have the privilege of playing a part that is dealing with issues that I think women my age need to, and in our world are told don't even discuss, starting with saying your age out loud, dealing with issues of menopause, and beyond that, trying to excel in a truly male-dominated world where any degree of fatigue or any degree of vulnerability you exhibit in terms of physically is looked upon as a huge chink in your armor where they can kind of really, shove that sword right in and say, see, we told you eventually this is what, you have to deal with when it comes to a woman. But I think that while Rani is not at all like me, I think the tone and tenor was set by Alankrita, where I remember telling me once that you do not need to overproject. And I think that became the bedrock, because I think that power need not scream.
Bombay Begums marks Pooja's foray into digital entertainment. The all-woman drama is also a comeback vehicle for the actor-filmmaker who stayed away from the big screen since the early 2000s, barring her cameo in Sadak 2. The series brings the Me Too movement in focus, examining it from a woman's gaze, but also said that filming the sequence was emotionally draining for the actors.
It was a very uncomfortable shooting day for all of us, because it was like you're making the person go through the entire, experience all over again.
Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.